Hello, in front of me I have Garett Women Nicole smartband, and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this device. To turn off this smartband, simply press the touch sensitive button at the bottom of the screen to wake up the screen on your device. Once you wake up the screen, press on the touch sensitive button repeatedly to scroll through the menu, like this. Find the option called, I believe, More, yeah, this one. And once you find it, press and hold the touch sensitive button to enter. Oh, my bad. Let's find More again. And then press and hold to enter the More category. Here, press on the touch sensitive button to scroll through the More option, from the More menu rather, and select the shutdown option. Then press and hold the touch sensitive button to confirm and turn off your smartband. And after the smartband vibrates, it should turn off. And as you can see now, it's turned off. And that's how you turn off this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.